2 AI video generators, 1 winner. I tested both for 30 days and the results were not what I expected at all.
Runway Gen-3 Alpha from New York versus Kling AI from Beijing. 2 completely different philosophies about what AI video should be and do.
Runway was built by filmmakers for creative humans. Kling was engineered to push the absolute technical limits of AI video generation. Kling serves 4.8 million monthly users versus Runway's 3.2 million. But the story behind these numbers is far more complex. Runway generates cinema. Kling generates reality. One looks like a film, the other looks like something that actually happened in front of a real camera. On motion physics accuracy, Kling scores 94% versus Runway's 87%. The difference is visible to the naked eye in direct comparison. Same prompt, 2 different interpretations. Kling executes literally, Runway interprets creatively. Neither is wrong, but they serve different creators entirely.
Kling generated the same 5-second clip in 2:45. Runway took 4:20. That difference compounds massively across a full production workflow daily.
At every comparable tier, Kling offers more credits per dollar than Runway. For high-volume creators, this cost difference becomes very substantial over time.
I have shown you all the data and all the tests. Now I will tell you which one I actually use every single day and exactly why.
Runway's creative range scores 92% across the full stylistic spectrum. Kling narrows significantly as you move towards stylized and artistic generation requests. Runway serves professional filmmakers. Kling serves content creators. This user difference explains every design decision both platforms have ever made. Runway gives cinematographer-level camera control. Kling gives accessible tools anyone can use immediately. Right choice depends on your skill level entirely.
Character consistency TAM. Kling scores 89% versus Runway's 71%. For multi-scene projects, this difference is absolutely critical and cannot be ignored.
Runway powers Hollywood pre-visualization and premium commercial work. Kling powers high-volume YouTube channels and social media pipelines at industrial scale.
30 days, same prompts, same criteria, same real production workload applied identically and simultaneously to both platforms without any bias whatsoever.
Across 10 criteria, Kling scores 8.8 overall versus Runway's 8.35. But the category breakdown tells a far more nuanced story here. If you are a professional filmmaker or creative director, Runway Gen-3 Alpha is built specifically and precisely for you and your workflow needs. If you are a YouTube creator or social media professional needing high volume at accessible cost, Kling AI is built precisely for you. Kling grew 340% year over year versus Runway's 67%. At this trajectory, Kling doubles Runway's user base within 18 months from now.
Runway asks how AI can help humans tell better stories. Kling asks how accurately AI can simulate physical visual reality.
Neither platform is perfect. Runway struggles with consistency and cost. Kling struggles with creative range and camera control. Know both before you commit to either. My verdict after 30 days' time. Kling AI wins overall at 8.8, but Runway remains superior for professional cinematic production work specifically. The right choice is not about which is objectively better overall. It is about which one is specifically right for what you are actually building right now.
Runway or Kling? The answer depends entirely on who you are and what you are building. Now you have everything needed to decide correctly for yourself.
Both platform links where Runway and Kling AI are in the description and pinned comment below this video right now. Completely free to access.